Jonathan here with Darrow Kia Madison. I cannot express how excited I am. It's finally here. This is our first 2023 Kia Telluride, fresh off the truck. Now this one is sold, but we actually have some that are available, and I had to do a video on what's new. So, updated for 2023. They took something that is not broken by any means and made it even better. The 2023. So, up here you can see, gone is the box. You now have a new LED lighting signature. LED headlights are now standard across all trims, and they've made the entire car just a little bit more robust looking, cleaner, and more contemporary. And if you follow me around to the back, you can also see these are the new rims on the SX Prestige, which I love. And that same design language is carried through to the back. So it's just been made to be a little bit cleaner, squared off, and more contemporary. And the inside is where the excitement is. So if you want to come up here, we now have a 12.3-inch touchscreen standard for the infotainment display, as well as in the SX models, this customizable full color gauge cluster, which will show your blind spot view monitor, all sorts of different information. You can set different themes for it. Really a wonderful display and great level of configurability. Other new stuff that's very exciting, the driver assist features have been upgraded, and now it can even make lane changes for you with the Highway Driving Assist 2, as seen in the EV6. Digital mirror. Now you can flip your mirror between a real mirror and a camera mirror. This is really cool. So if you're carrying a lot of stuff and you can't see what's behind you, flip there. It doesn't matter what's between you and the back of the car. You can still see it. Really exciting stuff here. Again, I can't express how excited I am for these. These are awesome. And we actually have some that are inbound that are available. And even if we don't have the right one coming in for you, we can still, of course, order it. So let us know what we can do to help you get one of these. Call or stop by today.